Johnny Level will lead off. Level brings his hands up as if to bunt and takes a player was charging way in at third, was probably about 40 feet from home plate. And that pitch arrived at home. Now Level takes high, and it's 2-0, including a home run. 2-0, and that's not close. Up and away, ball 3. 3-0, Level again bluffing a bunt, but taking all the way, and that. Here's his 3-1, and that's way outside. Ball 4. Well, until now, 17 at-bats. Left-handed hitter, and he takes a ball up and in. Kirsten Keelan hit a triple into the right field corner that knocked in the run. Here he swings, bounces one right to second. Dix has it to second for one. Well, the Giants still won pretty handily as he swings here and fouls it off himself. Well, over a week ago now. 0-1 pitch is fouled back for the injury. 0-2 pitch. He swings and pops it up. Right side of the infield. It's going to be Dix over from second, waving his arms and still on the dirt. He'll make the count to face Walker Martin to lead off. Martin batting left-handed, takes outside to change up. Here's the 1-0, and he swings, grounds it foul. He's hitting 300 in the second half. Here in this bottom of the second, as the 1-2 is swung on and missed. A changeup in the. As Trevor Cohen now, and he goes around. That might have been a kinds of movement from Wong out there. Lots of things he can do with a baseball. As Cohen swings, grounds it sharply past Dix and out into right center field. A base hit. That was just an all-around game here last night. Right-handed batter swings and misses at a slider last night. Here he swings and lines it into left center. He's got another hit. Josefa quickly in to pick it up. Cohen will stop it. He's got 3 hits and 11 at-bats in the series. Didn't play yesterday as he make Wong get it up. The 1-0. Here's the 1-1. And it's outside, just missed. A change. Complex league before joining the Rawhide as Jenkins swings and grounds it foul right past the Giants dugout. Last time out against the Nuts. Here's a swing and a slow bouncer to third, charging Soler. He'll glove it waist high, sets his feet and open stance. And Wong, I think he just balked. He did. He just balked. And that is going to be a run. Wong, he started his motion pitching out of the windup, and then he stepped with his other foot. Now you've got the manager with the umpire walking to the pitcher's mound. I think they're trying to now express it. Now the first pitch to Rogers, and that's in the dirt, looking to take the lead. The 1-0. And it's in the dirt, blocked by third game with the Giants, and has a professional. He looks at a strike. Here's the 2-1 pitch, and that changeup is outside. Ball left a couple of weeks ago. Here's the 3-1 pitch, and he swings and misses. 3-1's now 3-2. The payoff pitch, and Rogers swings and fouls it right at home plate. That was a changeup. Again, that's the 1. 2 outs. And the 3-2 is a swing and a miss. A slider in the dirt. Barriga blocks it. Ender doing a pretty good job keeping the Giants off balance here these first couple of innings. Throws a little extra time explaining what happened to the pitcher as that one misses high, and it's 2-0. Very sharp. Wong's pitch, and it's a strike. 2-0 fastball. Weak. Lots of power from the left side as he swings and misses. 52 driven in on the year as he swings and a foul. Just did get a piece of the changeup. Air league. 2-2 is strike 3 called. Fastball perfectly placed over the outside corner. Best in this league. His first 3 starts, his Level swings, hits a high fly ball deep left field. Youngblood moving back, now squaring up and just in front of the warning track. The Giants in your first 3 starts, those are 3 really good lineups as Keelan fouls one back for in the California League. Here's the 0-1, and it's way outside. And here's the 1-1, and it's inside the final game. The Giants' first-round draft pick last month, as he swings and fouls it to the left out of play. And the count now, college baseball this year. 2-2 is a changeup outside. In the bottom of the third, the 3-2 pitch is a swing and a miss, struck him out. And Keelan frustrated the Giants as Dakota Jordan begins the bottom of the fourth, swings and one strike pitch. Jordan, a big swing and a miss at a fastball, low and in. And now he'll 0-2, and he bounces that changeup in as it kicks Rangers on their team. As the 1-2, look out, up and in with a fastball. 2-2 pitch and a swing and a miss. Struck him out with a slider. In his first at-bat, the pitch is a called strike. It's been the case. The 0-1 and a swing and a miss. Strike two. In 4 innings. 0-2, and Martin a swing, and he taps it foul. He had hit his bat a second time. Pitching in the piggyback role tonight. And Martin swings, and again. Another 0-2, and it's strike 3 called. Threw him a slider or batters that he's faced now. Here's Trevor Cohen. Swings and grounds one to second. Weakly hit on a couple of hops. Dix will field it and enter the game and will play out in left field. Here's Lisbel Diaz showing bunt. And then right before the inning starts, Rawhide decide to make that move. Here's inning. 2-0 pitch, and there's a called strike in the second inning. Next offering from Wong. Diaz hits a pop-up. 2-2 pitch, and it's strike 3 called. Fast 7 strikeouts. Giants haven't had a base runner since the second inning. Here's a pitch low and now the 1-0. He swings and lifts. Next offering, and it's outside. 2 balls. After beginning the year on the injured list. 2-1, he swings and lines it into right field, a hit over towards the line. Long run for De La Cruz, moving over, and he'll make a nice play, cutting it off in front of the warning track, spinning, and then firing the week of 9 straight hitters that Wong had retired. Now Rogers batting for his second time now. Here's the pitch, and that's outside. A stolen base threat. In fact, doesn't have one yet with the Giants. As that pitch in the 3-0 pitch, Rogers taking, and it's a called strike. And Hipwell's on deck. Here's the pitch, and it's a called strike 2-1. And the 3-2, Rogers swings and misses, strike 3. He is carving up this Giants lineup right now as Hipwell swings and misses at a curve. Development. The 0-1, Hipwell swings, he drives one deep left center field. Benoit going back, it's over his head, and it bounces up against the wall. Jenkins to third, he's being waved home. Here comes the relay to the plate, the slide, he's safe at home as it bounces away from Barriga. Wong picks it up, his throw to third. After Benoit played the carom off the fence, but the one-hop throw wasn't handled. Jenkins kind of got there right about the same time as the baseball. And what a big hit from Robert Hipwell. Continuing his great homestand here for the Giants. He'll be credited with a double. And then taking third on the throw. And now we're going to... Wong will pitch out of the windup. And his first offering is a fastball strike. Walked and has flied out to deep left. Swings here and grounds one right to first off the glove of Perez, but he'll recover, picking it up with a bare hand right next to his foot, and then an underhand toss to Wong covering.